And now, let's proceed to the data gathering procedure. The data gathering procedure began with the researchers writing a permission letter to conduct the study to the aforementioned LGU. So after the approval, we, the researchers, will visit the Barangay Buhisan and administered a questionnaire to the chosen residents after providing a brief orientation about the study's objective and its purpose. Then we will proceed to the retrieval of questionnaires. After the retrieval of questionnaires, the data will be collected and analyzed using both correlational and inferential methods. To perform the statistical calculation, the researcher will utilize two software tools, which are the Microsoft Excel and Statistical Package for Social Sciences. So these softwares are commonly used in the field of statistics for data analysis. It is worth noting that the entire process of conducting the analysis and computation will be carried out under the guidance and assistance of a professional statistician. This collaboration ensured the accuracy and reliability of the statistical procedure used in interpreting the data. So to address the questionnaires, the researchers will utilize various statistical techniques, including the frequency and percent distribution that will answer the sub-problem 1, which is the demographic profile of the respondents, weighted mean that will answer the sub-problem number 2, and contingency coefficient that will answer the sub-problem 3 and number 4. Scoring procedure. In this part of the study, it involves assigning numerical values to each response on an instrument to quantify the data, such as Likert scale and correlational and coefficient. The Likert scale was interpreted as either fully implemented, or not implemented for assessing the extent of sustainability project related to wireless fidelity implementation. The correlation coefficient was interpreted as very weak to very strong for assessing the correlation between flexible learning and wireless fidelity network. Another Likert scale was used to assess the respondents' agreement or disagreement with the challenging barriers they experience during flexible learning. The common words that we utilize in the study are flexible learning, implementation, improved communication, information accessibility, internet, policy, productiveness, sustainability, and Wi-Fi network. Our definition of term is based on the statement of the problem and other elements of the study. The listed words are defined in accordance with the usage of the word in the study. This is the list of the sources and studies related and anchored to our present study. Currently, we have cited 26 other studies, and all of the sources and studies that we applied are written by experts, thus it is a reliable sources. We utilize EPA style to ensure that the sources are properly credited and referenced. That's all for the chapter 1, and to continue the presentation, let me call on Camila Arisgado for the review of related literature.